Good evening, EAPD students and families and homestays of EAPD students. My name is Miss Collins and I am making this video so that everyone at home is able to set up the program that we are using in EAPD, which is called gmetrix. So this is a video that you can watch to help you set this up on your computer at home. So, EAPD students, if you are wondering what Miss Collins means by a desktop computer, this is what I mean. One of these ones at home, not your laptop. So, when I say put gmetrix on your desktop computer, this is what I mean. Okay? One that looks like this. Okay, so, first of all, we need to find gmetrix. So all you need to do is go to Google and type into the search bar download, whoops, get my spelling right, gmetrix SMS. It's already coming up for me, and it should be the first one. If not, you are looking for this site here, www.gmetrix.net/download. So if we look in here first, this is the site that we will go to. Now it's important that you know if your computer will run gmetrix or not. So in the important notes section, it will tell you what your computer needs. So it will run on, so far as I can tell, almost anything from Windows Vista upwards. So Windows 7 would be great. If you have any newer version of Windows, that would also be good. So it looks like the version that we are using at school will run on anything from Windows Vista newer. However, in saying that, gmetrix does not agree with certain versions of Microsoft Office, so that is your Word, PowerPoint, Excel, that sort of thing. So it doesn't support Office 2007, so nor does it support XP, so you need something newer than 2007, so preferably from Office 2010 onwards is what your computer will need to run gmetrix on, well, if you are installing it on your desktop computer at home. So, assuming you have all the right requirements, hopefully, feel free to read through all the different parts that you might need before that. You're free to download it from here. It is free. No charge, but it needs to be this version 4.6. I see that there are other add-ons at the bottom though. It's not something that I know anything about, but I think if we're looking at Office 365, there's something here, but I need to ask about that further. Anyway, it's worth a try anyway if you're still not sure. So download, and it will start downloading down the bottom, and at some point it will come up with a little window, probably once it's finished downloading, and it will ask for permission to download fully onto your hard drive. Just wait for that to do its thing. Okay, so once it's finished downloading, click on that and let's see where we go. Okay, so it will come up with the setup wizard. So first on, you push next. This is just saying you agree to the terms and conditions. Typical, that's your normal version, and then install. So this is the window I was talking about. So select yes, and then you can see that it is now installing, and then this last one should show up and you want to push finish. So that should then be gmetrix up and running, and it will generally install an icon straight onto your desktop that you can go into. So if we log into it, so use your student ID number at lbc.school.nz. I have my name instead because I am a teacher, but all students have their ID number, your 5-digit number, and you should have that on your ID card if you can't remember what that is. Don't forget your password. We went over that in class last week, but if you have forgotten, please come and see me. Alright, so let's sign in. And then looks like it already remembers what I want to do. So if we go over here though, take a test, we push go. So here are your options, what you want to do. Application gives you a whole list. We are starting off with Word. Select Word. We're doing training first off, we're not up to a test yet, so keep it in training. And then from here you want to select Core Test 1 Training. And then click Next. That's just for mine, don't worry about that too much. It's just saying this version of gmetrix that we are running would like me to be running Office 2013, but I have 2016. It shouldn't make any difference if you have 2016. It works fine for me, however I don't know about earlier versions. So that is just basically outlining the test, that's fine. Click Next. Got some basic instructions there just to remind you of what you need to do in the test. And then up comes the first question, which we have looked at in class, and I will upload the video for this one very soon, and you guys can practice the first question at home. So hopefully that helps you EAPD students and your families and homestay families to get you set up at home so that you can use your laptop at school to try out gmetrix and start learning some of the vocab and the processes of Word, as well as being able to do gmetrix homework every night at home, so that you are also supporting your learning from school at home. Alright, good luck guys, and let me know if you have any problems and I will try and help you out. Alright, see you guys later.